Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about basic ICT skills 1 from chapter 3. Let's see the contents of today's class. Basic components of computer system, hardware and software, primary and secondary memory, input and output devices, identify various peripheral devices. Let's have a detailed information about subtitles. In this slide, we are going to study the basic components of computer system. Already we have studied from the small classes itself. So in this class, we will see deeply about these concepts. There are 4 devices. They are mouse, monitor, keyboard, and system cabinet. See, this is the mouse and keyboard. So what is the use of mouse? Mouse allow the user to position the cursor, draw and execute program functions by clicking mouse button. Then keyboard allows the user to type letters and numbers. Then monitor. It is an output device that displays information in pictorial representation. CPU inside the system cabinet does the mixing and matching, that is, processing the formatted input data. Next is hardware and software. Hardware means we can see, touch and feel. For example, printer, keyboard, mouse. Then software we can't touch. It is present inbuilt of the computer system. So the example for software is application programs. See, this is your hardware and software. So in hardware is a physical device used in your machine. Example, monitor, printer, keyboard, mouse, CD, scanner. Then software is a collection of application programs. See, these are all the application programs. Example for hardware and software is video card is hardware, then computer game is software. Then primary and secondary memory. Computer stores with its memory. There are 2 kinds of memory. They are primary memory and secondary memory. In primary memory is an electronic memory. They having 2 parts. First one is RAM and ROM. These memories hold data only while the computer is on. RAM is directly and quickly accessible by the computer. ROM stands for read-only memory, booting up of the computer or read from the ROM. In secondary memory, to storage device such as hard drives. It is also removable storage media such as USB, flash drive, CDs and DVDs. See some advantages of primary and secondary memory. So primary memory we call main memory or internal memory. In secondary memory we call auxiliary memory or external memory. In primary memory, RAM, ROM are presented. In secondary memory, CD, DVD, hard disk. So primary is a temporarily stored data while in use. In storage memory, permanently stores data. In primary memory, CPU directly access data. In secondary memory, CPU does not directly access data. So primary memory faster data access, in secondary data access will slow. See, these are all the input and output storage devices. Memory input devices, memory card reader, USB flash memory, then external optical drives, zip drive, media devices. These are all the storage device. Storage devices that store the information. For example, whenever you save something on the drive on the computer, it gets saved in the hard disk. So that is the storage device. See, these are all the peripheral devices. So peripheral devices means these devices which are attached with computer to do some particular works. For example, printer, joystick, then keyboard, scanner. These are all the peripheral devices. So in peripheral devices, first we are going to see light pen. Light pen, it is used to draw figures on the screen. You can might seen the use of light pen during cricket matches. Plotters. Plotter is used to draw picture for use in engineering applications. Plotter are drawn using pens. It is vertical graphic system. That is, it is not built using dots on the screen, but the space are drawn using geometrical shapes. So plotters somewhat slower than printers, and they are also more expensive than printers. It is an output device. Joystick is also output device. It is usually used to play games on computer. Tablet. Tablet is an input device. These are useful in online teaching scenarios or even during online discussion to explain a point. Scanner is an input device. It is used to get the digital version of physical objects. It is a scanner that helps digital copy of the documents. Printer. Printer is also an output device. If you want the hard disk of a certain documents, you have to look to the printer to provide you which that there are 4 kinds of printers: dot matrix printers, terminal printers, daisy wheel printers, laser printers. The last peripheral devices is microphone. Microphone is an input device. It takes sound as input and may do anything with sound principle. Microphone is also known as mic. I hope you understand the topics what we have learned today. Now I am going to give one homework. Take page number 29 and 30. In that pages, 3 MCQ and 2 answer the following questions are there. See, take page number 29. I read the MCQ questions. First question: mouse and keyboard are categorized as dash. Option A, input device. Option B, storage device. Option C, output device. Second question: the programs and process within a computer are parts of dash. Option A, hardware. Option B, software. Option C, input devices. Then third question, mouse, keyboard and joystick are examples of dash. Option A, input device. Option B, storage device. Option C, output device. Then answer the following question. I read the first question. Why is primary memory called so? Second question. Is there electronic memory that is secondary in type? Then turn page number 30. First question. See the MCQ first question. Using what device do cricket commanders draw figures on TV screen? Option A, light pen. Option B, scanner. Option C, printer. Second question. Using what does the plotter draw? Option A, dicey wheel. Option B, pen. Option C, pencil. Third question. Which device is used to change a physical object into its digital version? Option A, light pen. Option B, scanner. Option C, printer. Now see the answer the following question. Question number 1. Name any 4 types of printers. Then second question, describe a plotter. Find the answer and send your correct answer to me. Thank you, students.